Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of how to guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you solve the problem of verification code into your Twitter. Now, if your Twitter is also not sending the verification code into your phone number, you should watch this video till the end. Now let's begin the video. If your Twitter is also showing something like this, you cannot get verification code for quite some time. In this kind of scenario, just simply wait for some time and then after some time, you can try to get verification code again. This is the only solution for this problem. You just simply have to wait for quite some time, and if it still doesn't work, you should change the network or use another phone number instead of that one and then try again. Then probably your problem might be solved after that. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.